Neglected police training school in Nowan, Rivers State puts recruits' health at risk. In Nowan, Rivers State, the current state of the police training school has become a cause for concern as police recruits are subjected to an unhealthy environment for 6-8 months. Fresh recruits are mandated to undergo general duties, GD, officer grooming for periodic recruitment as constables, making it compulsory for them to live in the subpar conditions of the training facility. The deplorable state of the building has persisted for years, raising questions about the lack of attention from the authorities. The immediate past governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, has been criticized for neglecting the facility, and the consequences of his inaction are now affecting the health and well-being of innocent Nigerians who aspire to serve their country as police recruits. While recruits should be prepared for the challenging duties they will face as law enforcement officers, subjecting them to such unsanitary and unhygienic conditions is alarming. The neglect of this essential institution highlights the disparity between the government's promises of providing security and its actual commitment to ensuring the welfare of those tasked with maintaining law and order. Governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, neglected it, and the state of health of innocent Nigerians, whose only offence was to pick interest to serve their fatherland and be enlisted in the police force as recruits, only to become Father Christmas to other states like Benue and Sokoto, where he donated over ₦1 billion and other unfortunate ego projects. How can people who have passed through this kind of environment and living conditions not become damaged while serving their so-called fatherland? Living in such a challenging environment, recruits may find it difficult to maintain their physical and mental health during their training period. The lack of proper facilities and basic amenities could lead to long-term consequences, potentially affecting their ability to serve effectively in the future. This issue extends beyond the police recruits themselves and raises concerns about the larger state of governance and priorities in the region. As Nigeria claims to be the giant of Africa, it is essential to address these fundamental issues and invest in the development and well-being of those who dedicate themselves to serving their country. Providing adequate resources and maintaining proper training facilities should be a top priority for the government, ensuring that those who uphold law and order are not themselves put at risk due to neglect and inadequate living conditions. The future of law enforcement in Rivers State hinges on how seriously the government takes the situation at the police training school in Nowan. Immediate action is necessary to revitalize the training facility and provide recruits with a conducive environment that promotes health and well-being while preparing them for their vital roles as police officers. Only by investing in the future of these recruits can Nigeria truly live up to its potential as the giant of Africa. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to our channel for latest news coming your way.